أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuhu. I hope you are well and you're happy to learn. So welcome to today's class. Please ensure that you are labeled correctly and that you are in wudu and your heads are covered. Please start writing out the points and reading them out and making notes of them. I will ask the student to join me in a moment. So, Rabbi Zidni Ilma, oh Lord, increase my knowledge. So, if you have your hands up at the moment, if I can see you, I'm going to just going to ask invite a student to join me in a moment. Just bear with me. I'm just going to find out if put your hands up if you can see my screen and hear me clearly. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, Adila.
Welcome. We can hear you, Mrs. Shakil. Sorry for the delay. We can see your screen. We can hear you okay as well.
Oh, Jazakallah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, Adila. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, alhamdulillah. Thank you for asking. Rita, can you read out the quote that you can see at the top of the screen?
Recite the Quran through the hours of the night and the day.
Lovely. Okay, and so this is a quote of hadith quoted in Imam Bayhaqi's book, volume 2, page 350. Adila, Rita, we are in week 11, and this is day 4. And we are learning and we hope to memorize the rules of Mim Sakina. It is important to memorize the rules and the points on the screen. Take a snapshot, make notes, make yourself a bookmark, whatever you want to. You can make some kind of poster and put it in your room if you like. You need to also implement this into your recitation. Daily recitation, and that's how it all comes, into together when you actually start reading them. Okay, Dila, start reading the quote at the top, the sound.
The sound of Mim Sakina can be read in 3 ways, depending on the letter that follows it. These rules are called Shafawi, labial, because Shafatan means lips, from where the sound of Mim is produced. If the letter Mim follows a Mim Sakina, then Idgham Shafawi, merging or blending, takes place. The second Mim Mushaddad produces a strong Gunna, 2 seconds. 2 counts.
Okay. Would you like to read the example as well for us?
في قلوبهم مرض.
And question, I'll ask somebody else to join me for question number 2. Thank you, Adila. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for your participation. And it was lovely hearing your voice today. I'm going to ask Zoya to join me now. Zoya, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
How are you, Beta Zoya? Okay, I'm good, alhamdulillah. Can I get you to jump straight into it and read point number 2 for me?
Okay. If the letter Ba follows a Mim Sakina, then Ikhfa Shafawi, hiding, occurs. This results in a light Gunna, 2 counts.
Would you like to read the example for us on the screen?
Okay. فَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ.
Yeah. So what we need to do is implement this. Also, like I said earlier, it was lovely hearing your voice, and you read it very nicely. But we can also implement the, the rule. If the letter Ba followed by Mim Sakin, the Ba Shafi hiding, which is 2 second like Guna. وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. Yeah? So press, sort of give that 2 second timing. Can we do that?
Okay. Should I
Yes.
read it again?
Yeah. Have a go. Have a go. Good practice.
وما هم بمؤمنون.
Yeah, be more meaning, but good try there. Well done. Okay, that was lovely hearing your beautiful voice. And I'll call you again to join me, inshallah, soon. Humayya, assalamu alaikum. Humayl, assalamu alaikum. Humayl,
Assalamualaikum.
how are you, beta Humayl?
Good, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, thank you for asking. Can we just jump into it and read out number 3 for me?
Okay. When meme sakin is followed by another letter of the remaining 26, then it is read is hard Shafawi clearly. Do not do gunna but jump off it immediately.
Right, so here we've got the examples. So could you read it from here?
Okay. Tatahum lam tunzirhum la.
Yeah. So here you said tahum lam dirhum, yeah, and you didn't sit on the meme, you didn't give it time. Yeah. Okay, wonderful. Jazakumullah Humayl. Thank you, Humayl, for joining us and letting us hear your lovely voice. And inshallah, we'll call you again soon. Okay, Jazakumullah for your participation. So now we're going to prepare for Tilawat. And I must inform you or remind everyone that we must ensure that we join classes on time at 5:50. Do start preparing it at 5:40 by performing wudu. Our hands, our nails, our teeth, and our clothes should be clean when we recite the Holy Quran. We should prepare and we should also do dua if we want to, and we can also, get prepared by ensuring that we sit in a quiet place. When we say that we should honor the Quran, how do we honor the Quran? We do wudu with clean clothes. We have clean teeth, clean hands. Yeah, we sit in a quiet place. We are attentive. We read loud with the teacher. We never leave the class. We join on time and we stay till the end of dua. We have a pen, paper ready. We make notes, and also, we are dedicated. So we give our QRS reading stages to our teachers every Thursday. And today's Thursday, and you should be doing that. And you also make sure that you join with a laptop or an iPad and not just, a small phone, because you won't be able to see the screen properly and you won't be able to read properly. So an iPad and laptop or computer is sufficient. There should be no eating or drinking in class. We are allowed to drink some water if needed. Remember that whenever you're in class, don't look away and start doing something else. Make the most of these classes. This is for your benefit. Make sure that you read aloud, always reading in a loud voice, always practicing with the teacher. And, make sure that you do your homework. You'll be given student handouts. Make sure you read them. Okay, it's time for Tilawat. So Jazakallah from me. And I'll pass you on to MCL. Jazakallah.
Jazakumullah, Mr. Shakil. Okay, my co-host is going to share the screen, our ACL, please. Okay, and the Tilawat page, please. So Al-Baqarah verses 1 to 8. And today, I believe, we have a student from room 6, and her name is Labina Haq. Beta, are you ready? Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Beta, are you, just to double check, are you doing Tilawat today?
Ji.
Excellent. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent. Start with Ta'awuz and then take a pause when you, once you read each verse, you take a pause or wherever you are taking the pause, and then wait for a few seconds or so. And everyone at home will recite after you, and then you continue like this. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, start when you're ready, beta.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alif Lam Mim. Zalikal kitabu la raiba fih. Hudal lil muttaqin. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أعنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون ختم الله على قلوبهم وعلى سمعهم وعلى أبصارهم غشاوة ولهم عذاب عظيم.
Jazakallah Binahat. It was beautiful, beautiful melody. Really enjoyed this. Mashallah, did really, really well. And Jazakallah, we'll hear your lovely voice again at the end of the lesson when we do dua for us, inshallah. Now, all of you at home, I've underlined Noon Sakin rules for you. Okay, and I want you to apply ikhfa. Okay, so we used to read this as unzila, and now we're going to say unzila. Okay, we're going to prolong this for 2 counts, and we're going to hide this N sound. Okay, unzila. Okay, so that's your homework. You're going to memorize this with full Noon Sakin rules, all of the Noon Sakin rules. And now I'm going to, so that's the tilawah done, Jazakumullah. Now, on Thursdays, we don't learn any new rule. Okay, so we're going to have a quick recap of what we learned on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we're going to have our what you're all looking forward to, aren't you? It's your quiz. So when I go through the recap slides, make quick notes and pay attention, and then you'll be ready for quiz. Now then, I have a new co-host today, a new team member, and I'd like to introduce her to all of you. We have a new ACL. Her name is Miss Nimra Shakil Sahiba, and she is going to be our ACL, and we'll be conducting the quiz together today. Okay, so wish her best of luck for today. So my co-host, if you can move the slide for me, please. Jazakumullah. I hope my internet is going to be okay today. Otherwise, inshallah, my co-host and Nina and Mrs. Shakil will be ready. Can you all hear me? Excellent. Okay, so week 11, day 4. So we're completing week 11 today, alhamdulillah. And you've got 2 more weeks, and then you're going to get your winter break. Okay, so this week we've done our Shafawi rules, and we say Shafawi rules are our Mim Sakina rules. They are known as Shafawi because Mim is a lip letter. So let's have a look at what we've done today. And not today, I mean on Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's see. Okay, so if you can enter again, right? Oh, we've got some animation here. So we've done 2 Shafawi rules this week. On Tuesday, We did, okay, yesterday we did Ikhfa Shafawi. And on Tuesday, we did Idgham Shafawi. Now, Ikhfa and Idgham are not the new terms for us. We know what Idgham means. We know that Idgham means to merge. Okay, we merge the sound of one letter into another. It's not always exclusive to Noon Sakin. Okay, so we're doing the meme sound here in today's lesson, we said. And Ikhfa means to hide, and we hide the meme Sakina sound. It behind the letter that follows it. Okay, so what does Ikhfa Shafawi mean? Ikhfa, or when do we apply it? When letter ba follows meme sakina, what do? We do light gunna. Okay, and we did the example, for example, tarmihim bihi. After meme sakina, it has a letter ba, and we do light gunna, and we say tarmihim. So this is from Surah Al-Fil, and you had plenty of practice in your breakout rooms. Now let's look at Idgham Shafawi. Right, so when does Idgham Shafawi take place? When mutharik meme follows meme sakina, meaning that when you have meme sakin and that meme sakina and the letter after it is a mutharik meme, then we do Idgham Shafawi, meaning that we do, how do we do it? What's the technique? Is it light gunna or strong gunna? Let's have a look. Strong gunna. Now we already know from Nazirah level 1 that meme mushaddad is our gunna letter. So this way, it's not a brand new rule for you as such, and you don't have to pronounce it differently. You only learned the name of it, that it is Idgham Shafawi, because it was like we did ilaykum mursalun, right, in the example. So when you have meme sakin followed by meme mushaddad, you would normally do gunna on meme mushaddad, but now excuse me, now you know the correct name of it, Idgham. Excuse me. Let's move on. Here are the examples. So here's meme sakina. We said meme sakina is meme carrying the sign of sukoon. Okay, so if I ask you, what does meme sakina mean? You'll say meme bearing the sign of sukoon. When it is followed by another meme or mutharik meme, we do strong gunna, and we call it Idgham Shafawi. Remember? The meme sakina rules are known as Shafawi because meme is a lip letter, and I always say to you, say out loud while you're on mute, meme. Okay, you're using your lips to produce the sound of meme. Okay, so you do strong gunna. And yesterday we did ikhfa, and we said that so these rules are very easy. The ikhfa means to hide, and what happens is naturally it ends up hiding a little. And how do we do it? So meme sakina followed by letter ba, and we do light gunna. For example, ya'tasim billah. Now, before knowing this rule, we would have read this clearly. Meme sakina as it is, you would have said ya'tasim billah. Now you're going to spot your letter ba, and you're going to prolong the meme sakin for 2 counts. Ya'tasim billah. Okay. And this is known as Ikhfa Shafawi. Now, these rules are very easy. Why? Because you don't have to memorize too many letters. The first example you already know, because your meme mushaddad is your clue. You just need to know the name of it. Now, then the other for Ikhfa Shafawi, you're only going to spot 1 letter. Okay? Ba. That's it. And the remaining 26 letters, what do we do with the remaining 26 letters when they appear after meme sakina? We will be learning in next week's lesson. Okay, so you're going to concentrate on meme sakina followed by meme and ba, and the name is Idgham Shafawi and Ikhfa Shafawi. Now, we can guess that is hard. This rule, which is going to be applied for 26 letters, is going to be the most frequent one that can appear. Okay, it's going to be because it is applied to 26 letters. So that was a quick recap of what we've done this week. Terminology is not new to you because we've learned that in Sakin rules and Tanween. If it is new to you, have a good look at week 5 slides, okay, and your students' handout. Okay, are we ready for our quiz? Were you listening? Let's find out. So at the office, can we start the quiz? And my co-host will show the first question, and you all will get an answer on your device. So choose wisely. Best of luck, teachers. You can also join. So my first question is, what does meme sakina mean? A, meme bearing shadda. Is it B, meme bearing fatha? Or C, meme bearing sukoon? Now I can't see what you're choosing. And my lovely co-host, my ACL, my co-host will tell us what you choose. Okay, raise your hands, teachers, if you can see the poll, or if you can see the answers to choose from, the options. Not yet? Oh, okay, Dina Saiba, you can. Okay, that's fine. Best of luck, teachers. Choose wisely. ACL, can you confirm what the majority is choosing?
Yes. So the majority picked meme bearing sukoon.
See, let's have a look. Is it the right answer? Let's move the screen, click on it, and let's see if it changes color. The right answer should change color. Can you click on it for me, please, on the slide or enter? Yes, the right answer is meme bearing sukoon. Well done, 90% of you got it right. Okay, next question, please. My next question is, so my second question is, we're just going to move the slide. Yeah. How many rules of meme sakina are there? 3, 4, or 5? Let's see what you choose. Okay, ACL, what they're choosing? The majority is going for which number?
Majority picked 72% of the participants picked 3.
3. Okay, let's have a look. Is the question. So let's find out if it's the right answer. So if you click on it, the number, it should change. The color should change for the right answer, ACL. Yes, majority got it right. 72% of you got it right. Excellent. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question 3, idgham means to A, merge or combine, or B, read clearly. What does idgham mean? Remember, we've learned this in week 5 when we're doing noon sakin rules. So have you been revising? You should get option now on your screen. Choose wisely. Best of luck. Teachers, you can also join in. We don't have that many participants at the moment. Okay, ACL, what they're going for, majority?
Majority chose merge or combine.
Excellent. Let's find out what the right answer is. So if you click on it, we'll get the right answer. We'll change color. Excellent. 95% of you said merge or combine, and it is the right answer. Excellent. Okay, let's move on to the fourth question. So my fourth question is, idgham shafawi means idgham of meme sakina. Is it true or false? Okay, let's see what majority chose, A or B.
It's A, true.
Okay, so the majority is going for A. Let's find out if they're right. Okay, if you click on it, it should change. The right answer should change color. Excellent, majority got it right. It is true. Excellent. Well done to all of you. Now, there's only 67 of you taking part. So all of you teachers, you join in as well. Okay, we would like everybody to join in. Right, question 5. Let's have a look. Question 5. Idgham shafawi takes place when meme sakina is followed by the letter A, ba, B, meme, or C, noon. So when does idgham shafawi takes place? When meme sakina is followed by ba, meme, or noon. Okay, ACL, what they're going for this time? Ooh, very close, aren't they? Are they choosing meme or ba?
Sorry, 56% chose meme and 34% ba.
Ooh, okay. Well, let's look what the right answer is. Idgham shafawi is when you merge the sound. And that happens when, let's see which answer will, which option will change color. Sorry, the animations are a bit slow, aren't they? Okay, the right answer is meme. So well done to 56% of you. We would like everyone to learn this. So next time, this 100% of you are going for this one. Okay, let's move on to question 6. Idgham Shafawi is applied as follows. A, we do light gunna, or B, we do strong gunna. Remember what idgham means. The next letter is mushaddad. I'm giving you a clue here. Okay, Sian, what's the majority going for, A or B?
It's B, do strong gunna.
Let's see if they're right. So let's see which answer will change, which option will change color. Excellent. So it is true. So do light gunna. Oh no. Have you got it right? Yeah. The previous one was right. You do strong gunna. So you're right. Okay, question 7. The rule of ikhfa shafawi is applied when mim sakina is followed by the letter ba. Is it true or false? Now the answer has already been given to you for this one. Go on then, if you get the answer. Okay, if you click backwards, ACL, then the answer will not be highlighted. Okay, what's the majority going for? A, true. The rule ikhfa shafawi is applied. Yeah, the answer is true. Okay, let's move on to question 8. The final question, I believe. Question 8. Ikhfa shafawi is applied as follows. Number A, not number A, do strong gunna. B, do light gunna. Which one is it for ikhfa shafawi? Do we do strong gunna or light gunna? For ikhfa, remember ikhfa means to hide. Okay, ACL, what's the majority choosing, A or B? Okay, that's fine. Can you see the answer, or should I just take it? Take the answer.
Yes,
I think
it's B, light
B.
gunna.
Okay, so majority, 82% of you are choosing B, and let's see if they're right. Yeah. It shouldn't. Oh, okay, excellent. Yeah. So majority, if you are right, we do light gunna. Excellent. Jazakumullah, Hasan al Jazaa for all of you for taking part. Jazakumullah, everyone.